Hi everyone, my name is Jerise Henson and this is my Mass Tort Talk. I'm so excited to speak with you today about an issue that's really near and dear to my heart, and that is the role of legal paraprofessionals in the legal services industry. As paraprofessionals, we are often the first person a client speaks to when starting a legal claim and the last person they speak to after they receive their settlement. We get to know them, we get to like them, and in some cases, we really do feel their pain. Our roles are critical, important, and every mass tort attorney will tell you, in secret and sometimes in public, that they wouldn't be who they were without their support team. Many states are looking at the role of legal paraprofessionals, and they are widening the types of jobs and functions that we can do. Arizona, for example, this past February, created a class of legal paraprofessionals, which will be known as LPs, who will be able to provide legal services directly to clients, start their own businesses, and even share in attorney's fees. This is groundbreaking for a number of reasons. One, this shows that the people of Arizona, who overwhelmingly supported this by 80%, trust their fellow citizens to be able to help them achieve justice without having to go to law school. Second, it also eliminates the barrier of these weird compensation agreements that firms often have to have with their manager paraprofessionals to pay them adequately. And third, by allowing people to open up their own businesses, it will help grow the economy and provide jobs. Instead of paraprofessionals just being employees, they can now be employers. If you're like me and you've worked in Mass Tort as a paraprofessional for even a short period of time, you know the lion's share of work that's on our plates. We handle everything from intake to ordering medical records, to handling plaintiff fact sheets, to helping administer settlements. And sometimes we even are just the person for the client to talk to and come and complain to for 45 minutes to an hour. We get to know them, we get to like them, and in some cases we even cry for them. It is a very hard job, but we love it. We love it because, like the attorneys that we work for, we know that people have been wronged, they've been hurt, they've been harmed through no fault of their own, and that someone should be held accountable for it. So with these changes in other states looking at similar avenues, paraprofessionals are now in a position where they can go out on their own, right? They can have their own business where they're providing legal services. They can refer cases to attorneys, things that are maybe too complex for them to work on. So it really is time for the industry as a whole to start looking at paraprofessionals as real professionals who deserve the same education, training, and growth opportunities as attorneys have, and that it will not only better your practice in terms of having a higher quality of worker, but it could also benefit you from a business perspective. Why waste time on a low-level matter that a legal paraprofessional can handle when you could really be spending time going after the big fish, so to speak? If you're a paraprofessional, whether that's a paralegal, an intake specialist, a case manager, you know that a good portion of your job is basically acting like an attorney. In Mass Tort, we service tens of thousands of clients. There's no way that the 8 or 9 lawyers at a law firm can speak with all the clients that they represent. And so the paraprofessionals are the ones who create a systematized way to have a high-touch client experience to get them to the resolution of their case. So what does this mean for us working in Mass Tort? In what ways can we as paraprofessionals get the education, training, and support that we need to either go out on our own and provide legal services or continue to provide high-quality assistance to the attorneys who are going after the big corporate defendants? As a paraprofessional, you and I know that our days start early and they end late. We think about the cases, we think about the people long after there's been a resolution. Our hearts are there. And now it's time for us to take control of our skills, talents, and abilities and put them to work. At the Mass Tort Institute, we are forging a new frontier for Mass Tort paraprofessionals. We want to train, educate, motivate paraprofessionals and provide them with the resources that they need to do their best work for the clients that they care so deeply about. Nothing better than going to work every day, knowing why we do what we do, who we're doing it for, and most importantly, how to do it. There's so much that we have to learn, and there's so much that we want to learn. And again, through no fault of our employers, they just often don't have time to provide that for us. This is where the Mass Tort Institute comes in. We are trying to build an incredible training program, an education program that will allow you to learn the essential skills and competencies that you need to do your job effectively. We feel that paraprofessional training should combine education and experience, including internship programs. Learning what to do and how to do it firsthand in an office setting, or as you're currently dealing with COVID, in a remote setting, will set you up for success and provide you with the tools you need to go out there and get the job that you want to have. In addition to our training programs, we also have Forum, which is an opportunity for you to connect with your fellow paraprofessionals in the workforce for mentoring, advice, tips and tools, and best practices. If you join us, we promise that we will not only help you become a better paraprofessional, we will broaden your skill set and open your eyes to the tremendous wealth of opportunities there are in Mass Tort. So it's time for us to not just improve results for our clients, but also start improving results for ourselves. So thank you for joining me today. I hope this has been informative. We look forward to working with you. Please sign up for our newsletter, learn more about the courses that we offer, and I hope you all have a great day. Thank you.